Welcome to PrimeTech Automotive YouTube channel with another video. I go here 2018 Alfa Romeo Giulia, the cabin filter change. Guys, it's on right hand side under the steering column towards the middle of the car. It doesn't matter whether it's a right hand drive or left hand drive. It's on the right side of the vehicle under the dash. So if you have a look where it is, it's in very narrow spot and hard to access. So I've seen a lot of people don't replace this because it's not easy access. As you can see, I just remove the plastic cover. So one more thing, one important step, guys. So when you remove this cover, you can keep all the other connectors without disconnecting, but make sure do not let it to pull any wires from connectors, so you'll have another electrical issue. As you can see now, I'm just pulling out the cabin filter. There's no other way of doing it unless you remove all the other surrounding areas and stuff. This is the easy way. But when you squeeze the cabin filter in, make sure you do not bend or twist the filter. That can prevent air going through. So what you need to do, once you insert it, you just need to squeeze a bit at the front of the filter and send it in. And then once you insert it, just pull backward and forward a little bit, then it will clear the squeeze area. I mean as you can see what I do, just pull backward and push it in, then it will clear the path for the air. So the filter being replaced, it's done. So you put all the removed parts back together. Yeah, that's pretty much job done. So if this video helps when you do the cabin filter on your Giulia, hit a like, drop us a comment how to go with the job, subscribe and share my videos, help my channel. That's all, guys. Thanks for watching.